Hey drummers. So let's talk about adding our kick, and hat to our singles, doubles, and paradiddles. Just adding our feet basically. Okay. So what I want you to think about is let's go with quarter notes, or sorry, eighth notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and with our right left with our foot. So kick hat, and then we're going to do 16th notes, 1 E Anna, 2 E Anna, 3 E Anna, 4 E Anna with singles. And then we're going to switch to doubles without changing tempo at all. So watch, I go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E Anna, 2 E Anna, 3 E Anna, 4 E Anna, singles. Now doubles. Paradiddles. Singles. Okay, now I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to switch my sticking but keep my feet the same. So 1, 2, 3, start with my left and singles. Doubles. Paradiddles. Singles. Whoops. Singles. Doubles. Paradiddles. Of course, I'm going to do the switch with the metronome, do it as it's comfortable, and then keep increasing your speed. And if you start to fall apart, then back off. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, now doubles. Etc., etc. Do that for a while, then switch my sticking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's hard. See, I can't do it at that speed when I switch my sticking, so I would have to slow down or at least just practice that more. But that's the idea. Okay, now, Chitlins, you should have listened to that by now. And the basic beat for that is like you have a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So let me add the quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So that's how the snare, the cross stick goes on the snare. Now, if you add that with eighth notes on the hi-hat, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So now, one thing that makes it easier for me to match my right and my left hand together, if I use the accent on my right hand, first of all, to hear where my snare should be. 1. 1. 1. That way I have it in my right hand and I just match it with my left. 1. Like that. Okay, then eventually I take my accents on my right hand down once my left hand gets used to it. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now my kick. Like that, so I add that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are the things I want you to practice. Practice playing along with the drums, like throw some headphones on, listen to the song itself, and just play along with that, or the backing track, either way. But warm up with this, with double, etc., rudiments. And again, when you're practicing that, try and get that up to speed as much as you can. If you start to fall apart, back off. Okay, now the Chitlins beat might be a little tricky at first, but I think you're going to get it. Just remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there you go. I look forward, follow the directions in your assignment for the video, and I will see you next time.